I'm Eric Peterson, broker and owner of Copa Real Estate here in Avery Ranch. Let's talk about a 2017 market forecast. I'm shooting this video at the end of January, and the market has already gotten off to a big start. Personally, I've already had 4 closings in the month of January and 2 set up for February, so we haven't seen any of the typical seasonal slowdown over the winter months. What we're seeing going forward this year depends on which side of the neighborhood you're in. If you're looking at west side of Avery Ranch, it's going to be great that D.R. Horton is finally built out. Almost every home is sold. So there'll be much less competition and people able to choose those newer homes. We expect that prices are going to come up a little bit over in that section. It should be a good year over there. On the other side of the neighborhood, on East Avery Ranch, particularly Parkside, Morningside, and Brookside, those neighborhoods are definitely going to see pressure coming from the new home builders as they have lots that are a little bit bigger than the traditional Avery Ranch lots and the newer homes. So people in those neighborhoods in particular need to have their homes ready if they're planning on selling in as good condition as they can be to compete with those new neighborhoods. In general, some of the short-term challenges that we're going to see this year is interest rates are likely to be 0.5% to 0.75% higher at the end of the year than they are today. What that means for the first-time buyer, it'll definitely impact a little bit their buying power, but they're going to have some pressure coming from their landlords and the apartments who are going to be increasing the rent. So those people have to live somewhere. Where I think we're going to see more of that impacting the market is on the move-up market. Those people have a home already and they may not be as motivated to move up. And even though historically interest rates are still going to be low, some people are going to be impacted because they'll look at their payments and all of a sudden they're going to be $100 or $150 more a month than they expected possibly when they first started shopping for a home. The other things that we see impacting the market this year, I feel like we'll see more investors selling. We've already been contacted by more investors this year than last year who want to know what their home is worth, how much they can sell it for. And so I do think that, particularly because we saw at the end of last year, it took about 21 more days to rent a house in the fourth quarter than the fourth quarter in 2015. We'll likely see more of those renters or more of those landlords taking their profits and possibly looking for another investment this year. And finally, we noticed last year we are starting to see more and more buyers being comfortable going past 1431 into some of those new neighborhoods, so Caballo Ranch or even Hazelwood up Palmer to Ronald Reagan. And we think that will continue more and more as the population center and there's more things to do up in this area. We're seeing people being willing to go that way because there's so many more hubs that are right at 1431, services, grocery stores for people to go to, that they're just willing to expand their home search a little bit. And so it's no longer a case where we can say, well, this is just Avery Ranch and this is kind of as far out as you want to go. These buyers are already willing to travel a little bit further out to possibly get a newer home with a floor plan that might suit their needs. If you're thinking about selling your home this year, reach out to me at 512-791-7473 for a no-cost, no-obligation consultation for what we expect your home could sell for or what you might need to do to your home in order to prepare it for sale. Thanks for watching. Make it a great 2017 in Avery Ranch.